We showcase the profound compassion that we have, our inherent decency, our indomitable resilience, and our deep-seated unity that have come to define our nation, Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, we come together tonight not solely as a nation divided by regions, ethnic groups, or political parties, but as a nation of brothers and sisters held together by the fundamental understanding that we are indeed each other's keepers. Each one of us stands at the center of a vast network of people that extends beyond any single region or ethnic group. That was precisely the case with our 8 brothers we have just lost. Combined, I'm certain that the communities that they touch span the entire width and breadth of this nation, creating an interconnected tapestry of human relations. We're truly one seamless, unified family, and therefore we must not only mourn as one, but commit to healing as one. Their ultimate sacrifice, though painful beyond measure, serves as a powerful reminder of the profound work that remains to be done.
Okay, and he says, let us honor the departed not only with our tears, but with a renewed dedication to the ideals they lived for. John Dramani Mahama.
Creating an interconnected tapestry of human relations. We're truly one seamless, unified family, and therefore we must not only mourn as one, but commit to healing as one. Their ultimate sacrifice, though painful beyond measure, serves as a powerful reminder of the profound work that remains to be done for Ghana. We know with absolute certainty that they will not want us to be paralyzed by grief. Indeed, they will be the first to urge us to pick up the mantle, to channel our sorrow into renewed determination to get the work done.
Okay. Now, Vice President Jainano Pukwa Jamanso Kasai. Now, I'll say this is not a time for apportioning blames. It is time for sober reflection. The Vice President.
Anyway, we have a nation in mourning. What we anticipate is a demand for answers. Abiding questions may include, why is this happening? Why did this happen? Why now? Why then? What should we do? What should we know? What are the lessons? How should we learn the lessons? How should we apply them? This is definitely not a time for distasteful gloating over the misfortune, for postulation. This is not a time for apportioning blame. It is a time for sober reflection.
Okay. Enunti enono na anano no ekoba se eye Alhaji Muniru one mutala yomutimi ye adoa ema womo etimi esi womo emu no timi bantem ema womo timi identify womo na enran so womo timi eye ma ensia na aka ni nyina so womo forensic na ba mo matimi identify womo na mienu edi kan na aye gramofo no na ehu behia so betimi ayedai etimi aye womo ho adwuma ntem ti womo ayama womo timi aye awufosuma ma womo ama yakra womo na de aka no komna minta aka ndo timi kohyiai ama nsia na aka ni nyina so ono ya IGP womo saka yente kwabna minta aka ndo minister for
commission safekeeping and again use the opportunity to thank the team that embarked on the journey. We are so very much grateful to you. As I indicated earlier, we had about 8 samples 3 days ago, and yesterday, by the grace of God, we had the results of the 2 Muslims that has enabled us to perform the necessary rites today, and this is the final batch of the 6 remaining. And so at this point in time, since His Excellency the President has announced that the necessary ceremony will be performed on Saturday, on Friday 15th, we will hand over the results to the IGP for safekeeping.
Okay, and you know, it's here there, all is set. When you say we gramophone, you know, the days ahead of us, everybody my baby. Na video amu share ye mra na o mane boama on the military no mu ko jana kwan. Walk he was in white. I just say helicopter need to no kra na the window side o we view omo. Na ye nim say eye koja ntwi e din kre makramo nyame fa on kransie. Na Omanhene John Mama Echo inspected the graves of 2 out of the 8. Alhaji Dr. Mutala Mohammed and Alhaji Limuna Muniru. Na okoho. Okay, send na yesiye. Enono enso abetwem. Eno na mu so Omanhene to anamono. Asamba ko a ebese free yankra. E de abetuja. O de krata ba bonten. Ono na sisi Omanhene eyi no. Ye no say ono no Office of the Presidential Envoy for Interfaith and Ecumenical Ade American we so asa ade kofo. We dey safa bra so amia kwan. Economic asa. Ecumenical relations. And say yenjidie nyina ene eniema yejidie ne se ne ebesi aka bom ne nkomodie no. Your rev is a free anchor the crata babontin say a free nail cromino. Obi bia yen come share ne nyamesom ho nsem no almost say one mon famfa na so ye prophecy bia bebe bia no aye on mine prophecy eye minister bi ho asem no omo de omo fanya dai emfa na so ye omo ebebo Omanhene amane na de also omo ye fa ho bia no Omaye. Mijidi say, Asema beto jay, ehia bobo die. No, not just say, who shall come na men shana. Fako. Na womo embo bo huana. And I wish come we are now the video no kwana. Ya de asante akaba. Interesting days ahead of us. Ya de conform kakra. Bra form kakra na. I want to read something small. As part of strengthening national coordination and spiritual matters, especially these times of uncertainty and complex, we kindly encourage you to form all prophets, men and women of God under your oversight at any prophecy or spiritual insight of a national nature, especially those with implications for high-profile political leaders, governors, national security, public stability, should be formally relayed to the Office of the Presidential Envoy for urgent review and appropriate escalation. This is in the spirit of responsibility, discernment, and stewardship over the nation's destiny. Kosoro kakra. Oh, what you do? Therefore, in light of the tragic accident that occurred recently, which involved government officials, military personnel, the President of the Republic, His Excellency, the government and all state institutions, the bereaved families, assembly say channel your prophecies through Interfaith and Ecumenical Relations Office. Azante.
Amai.
Nitio.
We the senka honorable free everything. According to Jananka be or the short could be so aka home meba.
Oh, said the head there. Telephone numbers we come.
It has come with a statement. One the way no virtually is just going to be like
it is say no and come say. Wo bi wa what to na about. I brand here say Roger. Okwa Ali on ma. Bo oni Ali din koma na aba. Eti no. The waka one na so them fine. But the Abia Asante obi betime hia o hia na nyame kasa che no. Eno no o phone afra
with
na.
Evans there or he say that concern the government officials.
I'm talking about government officials because we betime hia government official airport.
On said they're not
As I speak with you, there is a prophecy through prophetic menu and catch on concerning the minister of state. If you know, I'm not try ask me.
Didn't make us a short code was one.
It will not say I was saying immediately catch no.
What is a short code was one? I say any means of reaching
the parliament by election.
Now what the aqua command? What the command one? Then almost one among because my when they see you know. The Suboa Manfo Pidibo minister and I say honorable Manabo to be precise, and I say Roger Nya vision, no, he tried to reach him and a month for him say on your almost place call be crowd corner office. Emma can I do channel. So this time round, say Koba say will be in your prophecy, whatever. And I'm gonna say I say in your office desk before in charge of that too. I never work with you. Say and only a minute and for that matter, no, I say. You need short code and I say as empty office no what I say. So we no we shouldn't media because this time
Asante.
I
saw them on.
Oh.
Washem come.
Oh my.
Video ni wo ho.
Oh my.
O say bibi sa no. O say do maybe cry Asante no cry back ni. San come say e bi ba any ade. E di hu so abani pet ekumam. Now people are even afraid to fly. I'm telling you. Obu ho no mai hu abono
ofa forma
adan wo hu skate no akwa ne na muram ena akwa nse kwaku na akwa wo tisi ade ayiro ena o sa akwa wo so ofa forma due tisi ade me na tentanua ena o so akwa wo so konkran
ena
na muram ena me guys say that ade wo wona nya muram kwa ho wo tisi a ofa so asemo e form so na kwan yi enti waye ne hu sei ena wa hye won team boot te wo kra nka no adan ya won nam muramu kon. It's funny but it's serious.
O man ti the minister na ka me dey menti aseka kan say obi nya wi a on say sometimes we dey betu dwa and the ministers na say abam nkofo o mo de oso enti bi ono kra wonya asoma
but the course as na
enti san nkofo we mu de
but I think what show any diama prophet
say mon for mon coins and o man me kra de me menti ase be say
esaso di yaw prophets yas are the who so abadodo Asante aba
no kra
esi ase
ena enya prophecy kra me nua ayi attachment ayi numerologist
onu so di who onu kwa de
me numerologist attachment on say me meti ni kokuare
attachment kwa de say de no kwa de ehu che bia
me am attachment on de on so kan February say one name so what's the numbers we number 9 me when 2016 17 de na e share na that time no 2016 17 planes 24 etigui this say o ma count when your best 11 and 12 this ebro
India so akoti ahe
was so akika bom ne kwa na ekoso this year no you could record in 20s around the whole world am one class aka say can say me kwa me yam shame say Ghana kwafi say Ghana nya for ahudie yaw ye commercial flight dey free o mamu kwa no ne kwa no e bi nya nkwanhia da na he was trying to on say we see and
say flight to free
Ghana
anywhere in the world
but this time around Ebitima si say Ghana this year eko approach play akota awia ma omu nyina ewu
enti e ba sa no a ya won so betu kan so beje akwantu o ene ha ba ye Ghana fo mo fa asase to sa no ho ene oni na mu sa no
ko no jiso mbo nwura mu kwa mi o
egofu yo mo de kai ko London
ene me
ajisa akofo ko hu o
ajisa ma fo ko hu o na
asebi
o mo ma route no na
asebi ade e kasre ba ehu on to be fit say they are also trying to reduce the fear and panic in the society. Because Eddie Huaba.
Yes.
Yeah, I won't lie to you. Eddie Huaba. Now a lot of people are afraid. See, and Krakoina, I get death trap.
Is it the Nyakra?
I get death trap.
From Ofanko.
Yahweh from Ejuso to Konongono, Jaso, and Jaso Honomoni Jansan Honomo to Ekokono. And what say crowd? Now Portos near so many, and they are dodging and Enyas.
Nana, this weekend, Mr. Omoka, Bakuba too, so Sapja Hobia. say almost say I flooded that say a kwana am hompo do mayo ama nsuo abefa asase na ma
se sia no o fa form asem o fa bi ma asem to yem fine
ene no one
I just say is it you start here a walk
health
walk no mo mane no so we ye benante akonkran abasa because akota ya kwan de akota esu ye hu anye na o akota nyame na de akwa about this one and no tum se yakopon hu se so ama bibi anto ya se bi ye nwene
ya jimi
so hu ena bia o me ye hunu bibi akota ye tikru we mu na ye highways linking cities no single lane na cars ritimi bonsa ho na we nam we hu na we na we nam
na what
over the years
I don't cry the hu o yes wo da kakra bi abetiana almost ye driver to
ye ko ma say so no
hey
ye ni street lighting system na be boa car na light so
Accra road are you so yes
ye ni street light papa bia
kan ya daso sa Esumka bi o Accra road it is a one to the light and those cars no so like Burkina cars more light be 20
yes
it was to me to bus so that bus driver ni be offer
nyame ampata kra na so kopie truck bi ase kwemu ono mu a
wa fa ba fa bia na kum ni pada and ya wasade
haban what the haban agu
what the otwetwe
ya tra we hu se enu ti na me ni omampani any road minister nya adwene say ubeye 6 lanes so 6 lanes na obeye no 3 na obeye no unwienu nipa na agu no dia aka no wie because omampani John Dramani Mahama Boshe kese pa wo share ma those elite ni omo amadwene da form o Ghana ha omunim de kakra te ase ne say wo si akwan bia any adwuma bia bandada ne ye no wo ma ne nka wuram wo ba beti won self ho it was one major promise man middle class ne to abama continuity now you're going to do 3 lanes and you know say this 4 years ultimi nwie
oh my
yeah, from Kumasi to Accra, over here 3 lanes.
Express road. Then another Maya. Oh my, then another Maya. Omon twas nanka. Omon nanka says can buy a 3 lane. Omon find train system. Train system. They no know. It do what? Among for back to coach the Gusu and super kitty jobs. Would a 2 I am any cost near name kit alternative. It will say a crown young race no. I am obetting Ubiquabet go Accra. Every day it's a train system here, Juma. 1 hour, but
now
regional relations.
So simple. Obey to me. 1 hour. A bullet trains. We call Japan. Asante. Bullet train. What tremor? The whole world. I aeroplane. Yeah, bullet train.
It was some from
na a tremor who. Hey, so that plane a jump.
That's a livery.
Within Kenya, Kumasi to Accra. Take Kumasi to Accra over 10 minutes. No.
Hey!
Now, Trema!
There's a place, he's almost got 10 minutes.
Yeah, Kumasi to Accra. And the bed, after the 20 minutes.
Debbie.
And you play depending on.
Yeah, to know.
Bullet train speed and you play.
You bullet train. You pay. No more.
You best have a catch on the say. And on the rally. And on my say, a general within 2 minutes. No more remarkable cleaning. Wow, we mistake. Now, Japan penny form cockrophobic edumao. Omure ma papa.
No cleaning, no appear.
A quaw. Shep,
man 40 baby.
Jenny 1 hour. A detected 10 minutes at 20 minutes. And out to show Yaman show. Say, go speedy, do tea. Who one do? Bow or two and you shall come one.
And I won't say,
who won't say?
And your money.
Sir,
what is you brew?
2019. Over Kai, Nanado called Tokyo.
Make I,
Asante.
Mukofia Manisu and you and a train system. Seven and commodity and another this kind of banana. Omudi dear, no credit,
and yet, but almost shut and penny for no best hotels are almost that. And the kind of life unbelievable. No more bad no Janima Precisia. I'm not telling you to control more now than I'm telling you,
train system can reach being connected.
And your train system, I have you're not easy to grant yet. Mosimo yes, Sky Trade. No one could do $2 million.
Doom so can you no a day?
$2 million. I know there a regional court. I mean, I'll finish.
I know there was almost cast on by a cry. Edward, land the piano
cry a young mosso, who call your dear Sky.
I could tell you, her TV crying in us so.
Yeah, we die to show you.
You know, so you are for train.
Train, animal. Railway say, why didn't you really? A time. A Sicado Catan. Rasabajani. Jogati or call railway department. Oh, I didn't know ye. You better launch a bossy dear now. Because MC cry. They go be a say away.
Is there a hint sign?
I inside of more ye be a nanka. Oh my, Eddie, if you hire man. I'm a Ubae. I'm a Ubae, so and at least one coye in Packardine. Or would you be in Packardine?
And the Packardine,
Saturday no way.
And Packardine,
I wonder Kiakobo.
If you want to
train, I'm a beam.
We are a joke. Yeah,
but I could tap me and say, every asofo no akonta enough of prophecies, you know, na mina hu kane na mina sisi akwa ya pede between asofo no ntem na asa akoye mina mekaye mina me hu ye mina mu yesra asofo no ye moving from prophecy to interceding for the country e dey ya asofo e na kane ye nimu ye waso mom ye mompa ye mom no ne mo bi ma emu mpanimfo e dey Nyankopon yi bibia kire wo no oman no se gugugugugu a otimu bi oman ne mama na bi na ye wasore ma o what I say ti yasofo no yesre wo mo enough of me na me hu ne kane and when the kane me kane December wo se say me kane last year wo se say me kane say sa oman no so
about baby e hu ade na awrade yi achi
mo
yesre wo de kaka ho say oman no say ni say na awrade kire me no wo say ye nkodi nkamfo wo say
na ochi na ye ni abetie ana ye yare ntini ye say
on fan chiri munsu unyare 3 days onye we 4 days ebejai ye be ka kire no nipa ro anye no owu onu anasem but ase o mehu
omumu ayen na ase
o mehu no nipa na bia o ntumi mehu e bia osoma obi kura emwo agese onu ano but yen try say we will move from the prophecy to inside interceding like Yahweh is saying.
Economical for na kase.
Eti ecumenical for. Yen to sa na mo.
Eti akoto no economical is one hwan for no.
Ecumenical.
Ecumenical.
Also so there. Basa. Kotoko fa akose mo. Kotoko fa akose Kaizer Chiefs mo. Ah sir. You say almost a few Chelsea ni kotoko.
Na Oma I say the African ye hu opponent. Kotoko hu opponent.
So Omo na for. You from say? Kwara United. Kwara United Lagos.
And I for no so
maybe any for the one we are na
I must reform.
No baby o
AS Kabili. AS Kabili omo.
Anya Algeria. Oh,
I'm a high maybe.
Yeah, me baby any go stars ready a more day.
My cup of
yes, Kabili there be anyone more
day.
What for no? Nigeria for more deal.
Yes, for more.
No. What say bedi ka alcohol. You say bedi ka alcohol here. You bedi ka alcohol.
Kotoko.
Hey, and you say so me.
And say ayara so almost struggle say em for more.
I say so me 5.
Kotoko wa mo baba yara ya na ho odin wo for bo.
Eh babo, kwem bia so.
Baba yara baba so.
Ah, babo. You go so. Yeah, boy, babo.
I'm there so. Yeah, be support mo. Yeah, house for so there better.
I say